guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to build up Wikipedia charts, and this is simply and elegant. I hope you gonna discuss about how you will build up Wikipedia charts F, and this is our project like that. I will let me discuss about the Wikipedia charts F like that. At first I will you use like that an image, then use it another input text button area and use. I honestly believe that the best way to learn something in the language and putting here like that knowledge to the some practical use and technical and programming language, then it will be simply and elegant with the JavaScript API, fetch API. Plenty of message like that here. Simply put here something like that lab, then click this enter and you will show that here title request API, and here is the link of URL request API, and here is the sum of paragraph, and you will show that at first title, then link, then paragraph. Okay, that's it. And search there anything like that, Kurulus Usman. This is the Turkey drama series, and just simply type here Usman, then you will show that. That's it, and link up this Wikipedia automatically. In this here just I will use only Wikipedia charts API. That's it, and I received that plenty of messages and queries from the some of my dearest friend and just junior asking how to start build of a Wikipedia charts API, and that's it. And in this case just simply I make a video for them. Okay, so while there are many tutorials on the internet, and but most of them are not beginner for that. In this case I just build up this absolutely for beginners, my community circle, and obviously it will be helped them in their portfolio. So let's start the code. Okay, so at first let me discuss what are we are gonna build, and I will take you through the how to build a Wikipedia charts F, and its challenge of the 100 days of JavaScript. For that, and just simply you have to go to Google, YouTube, and simply type here webcodecam. Okay, then we will show that 100 days of JavaScript playlist here like that. JavaScript project series, that is, and you will show that step by step, and you will learn at first basic to advanced level project, 100 days of 100 project. Okay, so let's start the video. So you will download this from description below, starter file, and then obviously open script.js. Okay, so that's it, and simply type here constant.charts, and simply like that Ctrl C and plus B and 4 times, and just simply type here. I will change this here and change this const variable, and just it will be name forum. Okay, and here you will change it like that, simply change it forum again, and make sure that it's semicolon, and it will be similar to this name. Okay, and it will be changed like that, charts results, and I will copy this and I'll just simply paste it here. Okay, that's it, and it will change like that message error message. error message msg. Okay, then simply copy this and just paste it here. Okay, that's it. And again copy this line and just simply change it here like that line, and just simply copy this and paste it here. Obviously make sure that with semicolon every line. Okay, so that's it. We have done this constant variable declaration, and just to simply we are gonna like that form a add event listener, and here I will create I have created another form dot add event listener or add event listener, and it will like that submit, but submit, just simply click this submit, and it will be submit, and click event function like it here. Okay, event function, that's it. And just simply call e dot pre-event default and just simply call this function. Okay, that's it. And make sure that it's semicolon. Okay, fetch API of the Wikipedia search API. Okay, then just simply click I'll create another const that API URL equal that's it. And just I'll simply paste it here in this API like that. I will give this in my description below. Okay, so this is that is okay, and make sure that with semicolon. Just now I'm gonna create another like that the search value function like that const then search value search dot value. Make sure that it's semicolon, and another like that if when your search result is empty, then it will be else like that another result. Otherwise it will be showing to you it's showing to you just error message. Okay, like that charts result charts value is equal empty. Then just simply type here error message. It will be give this pop-up alert like the error message, and charts cannot find anything. Please charts another topics. Okay, that's it. And make sure that with semicolon like that. Simply I will refresh this, and just when you will click this, just type here type then charts anything, then it will be nothing to found in this. Then it will be showing to you this pop-up. Okay, so I hope you will understand this. And this images cannot get find link up. I'll check it. Okay, simply I'll cut it. Okay, then refresh it. So that's it, and I'll create a error message block option like that, another function, then else. Okay, else like that, get result. When get result anything, get result, here will be charts value, just simply charts value, and make sure that with semicolon. Event function, here is a mistake, another second curly brace like that here. Okay, just simply make sure that with semicolon, then a error is gone. Okay, that's it, and just simply create it another function like that. When you will get charts anything here, then it will be error message option like that function. It will be pop up, give this error message, error message, function error message. Then just parsing this here on another argument like that message. Okay, that's it, and simply create this function error message class style dot style dot display, and display call block. I'm gonna create another function like that error message, and just simply error message style dot display, then equal block, and another line dot style dot display, then it will be again block, and simply I'm gonna create this like block, and make sure that with semicolon, and I have to create another option like that error message, then it will be text content. Okay, then just simply I will create another like that message, make sure that it's semicolon. That's it, and just now let me discuss about how to create this, how you will create this function. Okay, just simply type here anything wrong, then it will pop up for you an error message to showing to you, just like that here, function dot error message, just I used it. Okay, and now I have created another asynchronous function like that get result. When you will get anything find like that Wikipedia charts API, then cannot get find like that, it will be response to API URL. Okay, file, and I hope just I'm gonna create this asynchronous. Okay, then function get result, and just simply create charts value. Okay, charts value, and it will be just like that, charts value. Okay, that's it, and here I will change this sum some of change. Okay, that's it. And const response response equal await fetch, like that. Here this is the main function of the API URL plus and charts value. Okay, concrete plus concatenation of charts value. Okay, then just simply you will understand this fetch API, then you will create simply you will create easily just API your charts value. That's it, and make sure that with semicolon. Then const result results results, like that, await, and it will be just simply await response. Okay, then json that's it. Here is this type of mistake, like that, json. Make sure that it's semicolon. Okay, here you will charts anything in this your input button, like that, charts field. Then simply when you will create a fetch your API URL plus charts value, then you will get a result function of json. Okay, so when you json will you response, then you will get a will find your result here. Okay, so that's it, and simply I will create a console dot log, and simply it will this result, and now I'm gonna create this another function, like that. If then it will be just simply type here result dot query, not a query selector, just only query. Okay, so query query, then charts value, then length, then it will be just simple equal 0. Okay, so that's it, and here just now I'll give this return this value, error message. Then just I will showing to you, just invalid your charts. Okay, that's it, and make sure that it's semicolon. Then here we will create another, like that, else, if else loop, and it will be just simple display result, it will be result, only result, Okay, that's it, and make sure that with this function, in this of asynchronous function. Okay, then when you will create when you will get anything charts in your input button, then it will be like that, fetch your API from here, then just showing your API URL plus charts below. Okay, refresh in my browser. Okay, that's it, and simply I will just check it, inspect dot element and console, then uncut syntax error. Okay, script 40 line 40. Okay, unexpected token. That's it, and I will check it in my browser. That's it, and I just simply will cut it here and I will refresh it again. Then error has gone. Okay, and just I will check it again. Just simply type here Osman and click this enter. Then again you will show it, just simply uncode like that in promises line 34. Okay, so I'll check it again, result is not defined this, and obviously we'll check it again in this system like that. When we will create when we will work like that with JavaScript, then we will check it again and again in the console dot your Chrome develop tool like that, console tool, and just simply check it your error which line, and you will get then you can solution simply. Okay, you can do solution simply. So in this get result, and you write in the get result for asynchronous like that script.js 17 and 34. Okay, so I'll check it again and just simply minimize this browser, and 34 display result, that's it, and file, and you will simply you go to your browser and simply inspect this element. Okay, that's it, and I'll check this console log, and again you will show it like the display result is not defined. Okay, script 34. Okay, then now I'll go I'm gonna create another function like that, display function. Just simply type here function. Okay, then it will be display result, display results, and make sure that function is not defined like that, type mistake. Okay, then I'll I'm parsing in this line an argument of the result, that's it, and it will be then simply create line dot display style dot display. Okay, that's it, and it will be just create this block. Make sure that with semicolon. Okay, so let output just simply I will create this another empty output here. Okay, that's it, and now I'm gonna create this another result like that, result then query. Okay, like that, you will show that here simply. So no. Select console, then type here anything and click this enter. Simply type here ports, and you will I will check it again, and you will just simply create you will show that query and charts, then charts info and total list. Okay, then you will check this your every get property method. Okay, just I will use it and display function, then error has gone, and obviously I will use it charts below, then it will charts info. Now I'm gonna create this like that, charts URL title and charts title and charts URL link, and then paragraph tag. Okay, then simply I can do it like that with JavaScript. Okay, so I'll minimize my in my browser. Okay, then here I will create like that result. Then here is a some of important. I just now I have create another for each in this function. Then you will create a simply for each, simply charts dot for each, for each. Okay, that's it. And when you click this for each, then automatically and adding a sum of error array, then it simply will delete this and just use it for each, and just simply create a element here. I'll just simply just result, I'll type it here, just only result. Obviously make sure that it will be inside of the function, like that. I will parsing another argument in this line, and it will be, call this result function. Okay, here you will show it, and simply I will delete this here. Okay, and some few minutes later I will delete this. Okay, just as sim results, only result. Okay, so that's it. And here I'm gonna create another like that, let URL, let URL result URL. Okay, it will be result URL equal just now here I will parsing this here, just as template string, like that, template string. Okay, that's it. And here I will create this like that, Wikipedia URL API URL. Okay, simply go to Google and just type it here, https and Wikipedia URL. Okay, Wikipedia charts, not, it's not a with the extension with the F tutorial, just like that wiki charts. Then you will get a find Wikipedia, and just simply click it here and just copy this line. Okay, I will copy this and just simply paste it here. Okay, that's it. When we'll paste it here, then obviously you'll get a find in this documentary. Then it will be open, it does not like the documentary, and query ID, then equal, and I will parsing this in this dollar sign, then second I will use second curly brace like that here, and result dot page ID, id. Okay, and make sure that with template string obviously, and make sure that with semicolon. That's it. And just now I'm gonna create another output, um, plus equal, and it will be just simply I will use it here, uh, template string, and again I will create this like that result URL. Then I will create this result URL plus result title, and just simply create this here I will just just you have to come back here in your index.html, and simply I will copy this line from here. Okay, that's it. And simply I will copy this, and just here I'll delete this, or I'll just simply comment this. Okay, and you have to obviously comment this line, and just you have come back in your script.js, then simply paste it here. Okay, that's it. And obviously it will be inside of the div tag, or you can use easily like that. That's here just I created another like that title URL, then a link of URL, then paragraph tag. Okay, so in this here you will show that like that div and result. This is the result URL, then result URL non pinner, and it will be like that only just result URL, and here you will show that like that result URL following this result Wikipedia, and here you will show that like that API Wikipedia fetch API, and when you will get something like that, simply I will refresh in my browser. Okay, that's it. And just simply type it here, anything you can search. Okay, there type O, then it will be ordinary indicator and octinion and unicode subscript and super subscript, that will be. And simply type here Osman. Okay, that simply click here enter, and you will show that Richard Usman, Kurulus Usman. Okay, you will show that Kurulus Usman is the historical drama in Turkish drama, and you will show that obviously you fall in love in this series. Okay, this is the Islamic series. I can. So this is our simple code, and obviously you will you have to come back in your index.html, and simply just here from here. Okay, so single line from single charts result from here, and single charts result. Just simply I will comment this. Oh no, from here just simply comment this line, and simply comment this line. Okay, then simply refresh in your browser. Okay, so this is our main project, and you will show that simply and most elegant, and this is the most important project for absolutely for beginners. So here just I will check it here, and simply type it here like that prothemesale cell.com. That's it, and click this enter. In bullet charts, please enter another charts term. Okay, so this is an error like that. Simply type here Mashuk and click this enter. Okay, so you will show that this is my name, and you will, this is our project, and finally we are done successfully in this project. And I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and share your with your social community. Okay, so thanks for watching.